Right, we've got this MacBook, and this one is not that old. It's 2289, and water damage, but I don't know where the water went. So we've got a charger here, plug it in, and we get it takes a while. Eventually it will kick 20 volts. It did before. Rotate. Port feels good. And then try the bottom one. It will reach 20, and then the top will reach 20 as well. 8. Here we go. Nearly there. Come on, 1, 3, 1, 4. Come on, you did it before when the customer was here. Okay, we're just gonna let it be while we disassemble the unit. See what's going on in the inside. Yeah, I'm not kidding, it did go up. Maybe the position of the liquid. Try the other way. Okay. This was working earlier, now it's dead, amigo. Don't believe it. Okay. Oh, fuck hell. Oh, Jesus, okay. Far out. Yeah, I knew there was liquid damage, but not this much. I mean, far out. There may be a chance it could be salvaged, deep clean, so much work. Far out. Anyway, I'll give them a quotation fee for this. There's no way I'm going through a full cleanup without them kind of approving. Yeah. Okay. Jesus. Alright. I'll end it here for now.